General Measure brand new weighing transmitter. Empowering industrial production with precise measurement. Redefining the balance between compact size and high performance. A refined appearance, dual display design, intelligent notifications, and intuitive keypad layout. Precision weighing at your fingertips. Smaller in size, richer in connectivity. Paired with the Weasy-Config PC software remote parameter configuration and debugging. Upgraded software, powerful functions, including format editing and printing. Multi-device network communication, flexible control over system connection. Tare management for various applications. A secure keypad lock preventing accidental operations. Automatic deviation calculation and correction. Keep accuracy consistent all the time. Enhanced value-added features. Remote firmware upgrades via Ethernet. USB parameter backup and migration. No extra configuration and calibration needed. Operation history tracking. Helps with troubleshooting and system management. Trial lock settings. Protect your project asset. Even in extreme and demanding environments, it operates with unwavering stability, ready for challenges, steady in performance. General Measure G-2301P weighing transmitter. Smaller, stronger, built for reliability.